Before we jump into the juicy part of this conversation, I'd love for you to give this group a little catch-up quick on Automation Anywhere, it's on, and what you do.
Thanks for having me. I'm Mihir Shukla, CEO, Chairman, Automation Anywhere. For a quick context, we are based in Silicon Valley, enterprise AI company and leading in automation. We have about 6,000 customers in 90 countries, in many industries. More than half of the global 2,000 are our customers. We run 420 million digital workers or co-workers on our platform. So it's a sizable AI infrastructure that we run. And our focus is on autonomous enterprise. So 18 months ago, we introduced a market-leading offering on how to run businesses in an autonomous way. Autonomous IT, autonomous supply chain, and autonomous enterprises. So a little bit about us.